Hello YouTube, welcome to Trips with Turners. We are back at Six Flags. We are having Disney withdrawals, so we had to go to a park. So we're here at Six Flags today. We're going to check out the water park, Hurricane Harbor for the kids, and we're going to check out the DC Super Friends area. It's a new area for young kids with Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman, and all of that. So join us.
Hey everyone, my name is Mackenzie and I'm here with my brother
Kansas just got off the Georgia Cyclone. How was it?
It was good, but it was fun.
Did you like it, Mom?
Man, my chest hurt.
Yeah, I was up there. It seemed like a long time. Well, at least she didn't cry. She didn't cry, did it?
And I held her the whole time. Good.
We know that's the bumpiest ride at Six
I
Flags.
always say I never get back on it, but every time I come, I get back on it.
Yep, so now we're on our way to the mine train ride as a family. Something Katie can do. So we're going to cut through the Bugs Bunny Boomtown to go to the new DC Super Friends area. Kids are running off over there. Walk down through here. Boomtown Snacks. The Boomtown infamous water ride. They are getting soaked on that ride. She's hiding behind a glass counter so she won't get wet. We're going to cut right here through the DC Super Friends. As you can tell, they've changed the Wile E. Coyote ride to a Joker ride. They are actually going to get on the Superman Tower of Power. All three of them. About 60 feet in the air, maybe. The Joker roller coaster is down. Maybe it'll come back up before we leave.
If you guys ready to ride, let me get a woo woo. Let's try that one more time. Let me get a woo woo. All right, on to the take 5, please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All clear. You guys enjoy your ride. Look on, sweetie, it's tight. Tight.
top.
Discover Card, the official card of pulse-pounding excitement and fun for the whole family. Discover Card, the official card of Six Flags.
Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed your ride. You guys enjoy your ride? Yeah? Alright. Thank you guys so much for coming. You guys have a Six Flags day.
So we just walked in through the Hurricane Harbor. It is open now. It's right over here by the Superman.
Well, I just met you a couple hours ago. My last night in town.
You have to walk down a long hill, seems like. Go around the corner. Welcome to Calypso Bay. The kids are somewhere in this contraption. We're over here at Paradise Island. They could be anywhere. There's Mackenzie. Where's Kaden? Here's Mom chillaxing.
I know everybody said money can't buy happiness.
So we are leaving the water park, Hurricane Harbor area. We had a good time. We rode all the slides. The kids went to the tree house. We went on the wave pool. Me and Mackenzie got on like 3 of the Thriller slides that drop you down the loop. We had a good time. This is definitely a great idea if you don't feel like driving another 45 minutes, hour to Whitewaters. You can come back here, you can kick out. There's plenty to do. They have lockers, they have food around here. They have a swimming trunk area too, rental. Everything you need is right here. It's a great time. So now we're finna leave up out of Hurricane Harbor, go to Superman, maybe the Scream Machine, and then we're gonna head out. We're up here. We are about to get on the Joker roller coaster.
All right, we're on the Joker.
Oh yeah!
Kaden, are you ready?
Yeah.
Look at me. Mackenzie.
Here we go, Mackenzie, scared?
No.
course, my wife and the kids once again have to go get pictures with Sylvester and Tweety. Then we're going to get up out of here. So we're on our way out of the park, heading towards the exit. The kids are tired and hungry. Had a long day. We got to drive back 2 hours back to Birmingham. This is the front of the park. I don't know if I got this. That's the Goliath. I never get to ride because the kids aren't tall enough. My favorite ride. And here's the exit. We'll be right back with our thoughts. So we had to get Caden's picture on his membership card. These are the dates. You can bring a friend. Bring a friend for free. If you're a member and you have a member pass, they have certain days you can bring a friend for free. You come back here and register your season pass. We got the combo with White Waters and Six Flags. So it's certain days we can bring a friend for free. Half off. You get discounts on food, different stuff like that. So we were leaving out, and they are giving away these Haribo Twin Snakes gummy candy, sweet and sour. Must be some new type of candy, but they were passing them out. So we got 4 of them. So we're leaving Six Flags. It's probably around 5:30. I think the park closes at 6:37. We were gonna ride the tram, but the line's too long, so we're just gonna walk to our car. We do have a tram. Just catch it going by. It is coming, it is coming. There it is. But the line was too long for the tram, so we just said we'll walk. We've been walking all day anyway. But Six Flags is great, man. It's something to do. It's 2 hours away from us, so like I said, we had a membership passes, so we come whenever we can. Get the kids something to do. It's summertime. It's great. It's hot. That was the people on the Georgia Scorcher. It's hot, so we decided to do that and go to the water park to have something to do. We decided to come and let the kids run around and get cooled off, have something to do. So Six Flags is great, man. It's no Disney, but it's great. So we had a good time on our way back to Birmingham, and once again, thank you for watching Trips with Turners. We enjoyed having you all. We want to say thank you to all our subscribers, all our viewers. Our last Six Flags video is over 1,000 views. So we want to say thank you all for watching that video. That's a milestone for us. And just like in the last one, we'll see you in the next one.
More flags, more fun.